Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need to accept one fact up front. iPhone 13 has no native always-on display. Once updated to the latest iOS, you'll use guided access as a practical workaround. It keeps the screen active while a single app runs. First, go to Settings, Accessibility, Guided Access, and toggle it on. Then adjust display and brightness. Reduce brightness, enable reduce white point, and disable unnecessary animations. These steps reduce battery and heat, while you mimic always-on functionality. Now you'll configure the app experience. Open the clock, photos, or a simple black background app and place the view you want visible. Triple-click the side button to enter guided access, tap options, and turn off auto lock or set time limit to never. Confirm motion if you want to allow rotation. Start guided access. The display will remain on for that app. Make sure attention-aware features are off so the screen doesn't dim unexpectedly. To finish, start guided access whenever you need a persistent display. To stop it, triple-click and enter your passcode. Keep your phone plugged in for long runs or enable low-power mode to stretch battery life. Also dim brightness further if needed. If the screen still times out, make sure guided access options were properly set. Attention Aware is disabled under Face ID settings, and no third-party app is forcing sleep. This approach avoids jail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.